Here is one of the most underrated skills in business development: storytelling. I'm not talking about fairy tales or fluff. I mean real relevant stories that connect your solutions to someone's problem. Because people don't remember slide decks and feature lists, they remember how something made them feel. So instead of saying we help companies improve efficiency, try something like this. One of our clients was struggling with a clunky process that took 3 days to complete. We streamlined it down to 3 hours. Here is how we did it. Now you have got their attention. You made it real. Storytelling helps your prospects see themselves in the picture. It brings your product to life. You're not just selling software, you're selling outcomes, momentum, change. And here is the magic: stories build trust without trying too hard. They show credibility, experience, and empathy all in one. So you have to always have 2 to 3 go-to stories ready. Should be sharp, short, and relevant to your customer's world. Because if you can tell a great story, you don't need to sell hard. You just have to connect.